This isn't just another channel update. This is the next chapter of Blue Ox, and you're going to be a part of it.
Blue Ox isn't slowing. We're actually growing. You're gonna love what comes next. YouTube has changed, and honestly, a lot of channels felt it. But instead of slowing down, we decided to grow. We decided to build something real, meaningful, that will impact this RV industry.
Starting now, Blue Ox is moving to Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. Why? Because Saturdays feel like RV life. Coffee, campfires, camp chairs, family. A time to relax before the busy weekend starts. Our very first Saturday upload is going to be a YouTube premiere. What's that mean? We're going to be in the chat live with you. Ask us questions, we're going to answer real time. We're right there with you. Just like a real campfire conversation. So remember, new upload schedule, 9 a.m. on Saturdays. Make sure that you have your notifications on so that you won't miss any of our uploads. Our first Saturday will be a live premiere, and maybe our second Saturday will too. Stick around, we'll find out.
In 2026, we are laser focused on building the best hands-on RV inspection workshop. Smaller classes, more personal interaction one-on-one, real-world training, because your success matters.
Are you ready to become an RV inspector, or are you already an RV inspector? Are you ready to bring your skills to the next level?
Our workshop offers in-depth training and streamlined methods to make inspection day run smoothly.
This is a lot of work, but it's well worth it.
Fine-tune your current inspections.
Protect, serve, and thrive with our Blue Ox endorsed workshops.
If you're on the fence thinking about doing something like this, I would highly recommend this course.
We're seeking people with integrity, those who value protecting RV buyers from an unregulated industry.
Ready to enhance your skills and elevate your business?
It is a lot of work. You can do it. We can do it.
Yep.
We will do it. We will complete it. And you will too.
Get the education no other school offers.
So just like anything in life that you want to progress at and that you have a passion for, you want to take training and continue in your education. I started out with getting certified as an inspector, and now coming here to the Blue Ox and getting training, I wanted to progress my training and abilities. But the ideal end of the end game is when you want to be seen as an equal to your peers and being evaluated and endorsed by them and recommended by them that you're doing a good job, and to clients.
Thinking about taking another course possibly. Again, this will separate you from the general population as far as inspectors go. This will make you the best of the best.
This is the workshop for you. Visit our website to contact us to reserve your spot today. We're committed to bringing you honest, ethical, fact-driven RV inspections to buyers and families, protecting everyone. This year, we're also launching something that feels much bigger than an event. It feels like family.
The Blue Ox Family Roundup. Fun, laughters, education, a lot of good time with people that we know and we cherish.
And we want you there. Join us. And speaking of the Roundup, we've locked in a very special guest. He's one of the most loved RV faces of YouTube. He has over 250,000 subscribers, and you all love him. And he's coming to our Roundup to be a part of your family.
But we're not telling you who yet.
Shh. Watch for our upcoming videos. That's when the reveal will happen. Make sure your notification bell is on. You don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Who do you think it'll be? Tell us in the comments below. And while you're at it, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and make sure to comment. Remember, if you don't know what to comment, C4BO, that's the perfect comment. Comment for Blue Ox.
No matter how big we grow, one thing never changes. We're there to educate you, to protect you, and make the RV life feel better. That's our calling. That's Blue Ox.
And we love this community more than we can say. The next chapter starts now.
Do you love Saturday mornings?
Will you join our first premiere?
And who do you think is going to be our mystery guest?
Make sure you're subscribed, notifications on, and don't miss our premiere. We want to chat with you there. Blue Ox, We're here to educate, protect, and empower. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.
Don't move. What am I supposed to say? Blue Ox isn't slowing
Handwritten.
down.
Handwritten.
Blue Ox isn't slowing down. We're growing. And you're gonna love by that. Stay right there, don't move. Wanna go get me some coffee?
Hopefully. You want some coffee? Hold on. He needs coffee.
In 2026, we are laser focused to make the best hands-on training RV workshop inspection.
That was French.
Yeah.
Try that again. We're committed. We're committed to continuing.
And who do you think is going to be our mystery guest? And who do you think?
Egress? I'm kidding.
And who do you think is going to be our